Washingtonê bi seroketiya Mesrûr Barzanî du peymanên girîng ên enerjiyê hatin imzekirin. Pêka nûçegehaniya Bas News, Serokwezîrê Herêma Kurdistanê Mesrûr Barzanî îro duşemê 19 avrîla 2025 di merasîmekê de li odeya bazirganiya Amerîka li Washingtonê du peymanên girîng ên enerjiyê imzekirin. Her du şirketên petrolê yên Amerîkî, HKN Energy û Western Zagros ji bo pêşxîstina sektora petrolê li Herêma Kurdistanê du peymanên mezin bi hikûmeta Herêma Kurdistanê re imzekirin. Bu hayvan bi dehan milyar dolarên û dê bandoreke berçav û erênî li ser pêşketina sektora neft û enerjiyê û jêrxaneya aborî ya Herêma Kurdistanê hebe.
From the standpoint of Iran, they are not trustworthy. They are not a nation that certainly has America's interest or Israel's interest at heart. And so we have to be cognizant of that as part of any negotiation. And we need to be prepared to act. From my vantage point, this is not Israel's fight alone. The United States has to stand shoulder to shoulder and ensure that Iran does not get a nuclear weapon, one way or the other.
Now, lastly, I want to ask you about the Iranian people who have actually been very, very vocal on the same side as Israelis, something you might not expect, against the Islamic Republic of Iran. How is the U.S. Congress working to support the people of Iran in contrast to the government, which you're looking at holding accountable for their crimes?
Well, again, I'm proud to support a resolution supporting the people of Iran. They want freedom. They want to be free from the tyranny and oppression that has been in effect for 45 years under the Ayatollah and the mullahs. So it is certainly a question of whether or not the Iranian people can rise up and really be able to overthrow this regime, and ultimately if they have the opportunity of self-governance, which I think so many of the Iranian people want, and they want freedom, and they want to end the oppression and tyranny that we have seen for decades. So, ultimately, if Iran does not have a nuclear weapon, if they do not have the capabilities of enriching uranium, I do think the Iranian people will have the opportunity.
Well, let's hope you're correct, and soon we'll see a Cyrus Accords in addition to the Abraham Accords. Representative Mike Lawler, thank you so much.
Appreciate it.